Bayo spirit imechukuliwa kwenda kutumika in manipulation. Bayo spirit, because when she was alive, she used to do a lot of things that pleased God, and she could convince a large number, she could command a large number of people to listen to a word of God because of her message in the gospel. But Betty never knew that the first marriage she entered in, it was a cultism marriage. You see, life is divided in many things, and if you're not very careful, you need to differentiate between all the concept and accept all the concepts of life. Life entails two major things: the body and the soul. And when you read it is in the book of, when you read Matthew 10:28, Jesus is talking to his disciples, and Jesus is talking to the Congress, the people who are listening to him. Jesus is telling them that do not be afraid to that person who kills the body and cannot kill the soul, but be afraid to that person who can kill both the soul and the body.